This is my new computer and I'm gonna build it right now. Let's go. So the parts that I'm gonna be using are NVIDIA 570, Intel 9, 32 gigabytes of RAM, the motherboard, 850 watts full modular CPU water cooled system, and the case. So with that now, let's go. Okay, so the CPU cooler is currently installed. It's time for the graphics card. Sheesh. So we're gonna put it here.
All right, try to turn it on. Let's see.
Yeah, oh my, yo!
Like, comment, and post your social security number.